Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing. Today is Wednesday, the 29th of January. And let's start with synoptics. Okay, this was midnight last night. And that is correct, isn't it? And that looks fairly clear. There's a mess of fronts around us, but this is midday today, and there is a low over the Bay of Biscay which is going to impact us after lunch sometime. Um, let's have a look at midnight. So going back to midday, it's a fairly tight isobars lunchtime, and all the forecasts are saying we should be finished by 3 o'clock. And there is an opinion that we'll be finished a little bit sooner than that. Let's look at the rain today, see what's going on at the moment. And this is that low coming towards us. These are half-hour increments, and it seems to be moving a little bit faster than the synoptic chart suggested. Rain today, and that's that band coming out again, half-hour increments. And yeah, maybe 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, we're going to have some rain. The Met rain forecast. Let's have a look at that. That's 9 o'clock. That is 10 o'clock, 11, 12, 1 o'clock, 2, 3. Yeah, that's predicting the rain, but it doesn't actually predict all the muck that'll be coming ahead of it. But this is now 5 o'clock. Okay, METARs and TAFs. This was issued by Odium at 8:30. And a few clouds, light winds, good visibility, and very light winds from the southwest. The forecast, let's go down a little bit. And they're looking at, again, very light winds, south-southwest. I'm planning on going 0.9 at the moment today, but I'll talk about that in a minute. And this is 3 o'clock this afternoon, and it's suggesting visibility goes down to 7K, broken clouds and rain. So that's 3 o'clock. I'll have a look, see what Farnborough says. And they're saying, what are they saying? This is 11 till 14, light winds northeasterly. And at 4 o'clock, visibility comes down to 8K and rain. Windy, at the moment, it's saying 5 knots, the southwest. Go on to their forecast, and at 3 o'clock, they're suggesting still clear, but lowish cloud. Nothing, no gusting, not like last week. The public forecast, this is today, and they're saying 50% chance of lowish cloud and 70% chance of rain by 3. And the winds easterly, they're saying. Very light winds and no significant gusting. Right, this is the Alton webcam. This is looking from Alton towards Lasham. And I'll just refresh that. That's how it looked at Upper State. And this is how it looks now. Okay, the Lasham weather station had quite a windy day yesterday. The winds have now dropped off to virtually calm. And have a look at SkySight. So this is the point forecast overhead Lasham, and that's the correct day. Again, very light winds, light and variable. It's suggesting cloud right down to the ground, which obviously we don't have. Let's have a look at tomorrow. So that's Thursday the 30th, and it's thinking about it. No, I don't think we'll wait. No TAMs, nothing significant. 16, there is local firing range. And nothing for local soaring. Of course, if you are flying further from Lasham, then you need to check your own NOTAMs. All right, let's have a look at the setup today. And we weren't able to get access to cross-section from Odium, which would have been useful today, but it wasn't available. All right, glider bookings. We've got 2 instructors on site, so we'll need 3 K21s out, one for the casualist, and also 1 K13 for BI training. There is a K21 available if they wanted to use that instead. There are no trial flights today, so there is a K13 in the hangar available should anyone want it. Single seaters, SH2 is free all day, SH9 afternoon only, and the K21 is available in the afternoon, and the second K21 available all day. There are 2 instructor slots available both in the afternoon, and I think we know why. And on the casual list, so one of the K21s for the casual list, and I think we have 5 people on the list. And if they wanted to get an additional K21 out, then we have one available. Simulator is available all day. It may be useful for this afternoon. The only thing that's a little bit unusual today is we have a compass swing going on the threshold of 09, which is where we'll be launching from. I think it should be starting. They did say it was starting at 8:30 with an airliner, and that should take about an hour. And then there is a light twin going to be on that position until about 11 o'clock. So it shouldn't inconvenience us. And we'll land to the either side of it, obviously not on the runway. It's way down where the numbers are at the start of runway 09, and it shouldn't have its engines running, so it shouldn't be a problem. Setup today. We want to be on runway 09. Cables coming down on the south side on the boom. Again, the grass is wet. We had about 4 or 5 millimeters of rain over the last 24 hours, so caution with using the wheel brakes. We talked about the compass swing aircraft. Just watch out for it when you're on base and finals. There will be some 2XL personnel out there, so we don't want to hit them. And also when the aircraft are being towed out and towed back, they'll be towed along the peritrack. So a little bit of caution then. At the end of the day, whenever that is, clean the gliders. The ground will be wet, so the gliders will be muddy. Okay, that's yesterday's. All right, that's my conclusion. Thanks very much, and let's start getting stuff out.